Not all of the river is closed off to boaters, but if you are going to hit the water, make sure that you follow the proper safety precautions.
KXLY4's Kirsten Ramsing is live at State Line on the river with safety tips.
Good morning. Well, first and foremost, it's very important to have a life vest like the one that John is wearing. Also, the water is extremely cold, so having some kind of protective gear is also important. And then finally, John, let's talk about some of the rafts, because that's what's been getting folks into a little bit of trouble.
Right. The rafts here that you see are designed for whitewater. The rafts that are getting people into trouble are the ones that you buy at the sporting goods stores, Walmart, that sort of thing. $300 boat at Walmart. This is a $3,000 boat. Big difference. Means your life maybe if you have the wrong boat in the wrong type of situation.
And when we're talking about those floats that are getting folks into trouble, you recommend those are more for lakes, and that if folks want to be out on the river to really have the proper training, are there classes that folks can take?
There are. The Northwest Whitewater Association here in Spokane has classes, flip classes that are taught, rowing classes that are taught, throw bag lines, the rescue bags in there, and teach you how to throw those and rescue somebody if you do fall out of the boat.
How important is it to wear your life vest at all times?
100% important. When you're on shore or in the water, anywhere you're close to water, it's a good idea to wear it. If you would fall, you want to have it on if you end up in the water.
You were mentioning classes. You folks have a website where there's some great information. We have linked that onto our website at KXLY.com. There you can head to the news link sections and click on the Northwest Whitewater Association. We're going to have more information this morning about tips to stay safe on the river if you are going to be recreating this weekend. Mike Kalai, back to you.